Alright, so here's something that's weird. This car about a month ago was giving me a check engine light for no reason. Of course, there is no engine, but, I figured it's just BMW trying to make me go in for service that I probably don't need. Now, all of a sudden, the generators come on this Rex, and this never happened. This morning, I had a interesting thing saying that the extender is not going to be working, that I've totally basically discharged the battery and it's no good. As you see, I had full charge this morning. I've been out. Now all of a sudden, as I'm driving it, the generator's on. Now I think this is great. I don't know if it's really charging it up. In Europe, these things are on, and I think that's a great benefit. I don't really care. I didn't buy this car really for efficiency. I couldn't care less if the generator stayed on and gave me more range. That's cool by me, but it's just kind of weird. I thought when I bought this, of course, it was funny because all BMWs are junk. I mean, I'm in the car business my whole life, and I would say 95% of them I come across are garbage. And the funny thing was, I was laughing with the salesperson. I'm like, yeah, at least I don't have to come back to service. He laughs. He says, nah, you'll be back. He starts laughing at me. He says, I'm like, yo, there's no engine. He's like, doesn't matter. You'll be back. These things are boomerangs. And it's a real shame. I love this car, and I'm a BMW hater through and through. But I didn't lease this thing to service it. It's just not my thing. And the funny thing is, I don't even beat on this car. I really don't. I actually take better care of this than I ever did my Maserati. I beat the crap out of that rental car. I couldn't care less. But this one I actually keep nice. And look, now I'm having issues. But that's just BMW, I guess. It is what it is. Let's see what we got here. I wanted to show you what it was saying to me. I want to get the exact. All right, so check control. Maintain cycle, active, remain time 1 minute. All right, that's different than what it was telling me. Possible to continue your journey. Range instead of maintenance cycle has activated automatically. I don't know. It's kind of strange. It was giving me something else earlier too. And that's what it is. All right. Just a quick little video on BMW and their reliability factor. Car hater. Yeah, as soon as I shut off the video, there it is, maintenance cycle. Possible to continue your journey, range extender maintenance cycle was activated automatically. Kind of weird. Right now it's 9 o'clock, it's like 9:03 to be kind of exact. Look at when this fucking thing is actually going to be fully charged. It's totally discharged right now. 2:41 p.m. It'll be a little bit less, but isn't that fucking ridiculous? That's the problem with this thing.